Today, let's dive into the simple past tense, a powerful tool for discussing our experiences. Think about your last vacation. You might say, I visited the beach, or I tried surfing for the first time. These sentences transport us back in time, allowing us to share memories vividly. To form the simple past, we often add "-ed" to regular verbs. For example, play becomes played. But watch out for irregular verbs. Go changes to went, and have becomes had. When telling stories, use time markers like yesterday, last week, or in 2010 to anchor your narrative. For instance, last summer I traveled to Italy and explored ancient ruins. Remember, practice makes perfect. Share your past experiences with friends, and soon you'll speak about the past with confidence and flair.